So to make a pretty looking tray, just grab any old tray and spray paint. This is how it looks once dried. Now take any wrapping paper of your choice. Cut and paste on the inside of your tray. I am using Mod Podge. You can use any white glue for pasting. Let dry. Now take any measuring cup and measure 100 ml of polyester resin. Now add 1 ml of catalyst. Measure with the help of dropper given. Mix very nicely with the help of any wooden spoon or stick. Make sure to scrape out from the edges while mixing. Pour very gently to avoid bubbles. Spread evenly and let dry for 2 days. And we are done!